Every single month, money is leaving your account, and you have no idea where it's going. Not $10, not $50. Some of you are losing $300, $400, even $600 a month, and you won't even notice until it's too late to fix it. And the scariest part, you probably told yourself, I'm just bad with money. That's not true. Nobody ever taught you this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where that money is going, and the one fix that takes less time than making your coffee. Be honest with yourself for a second. How many times have you opened your banking app, seen a number that made your stomach drop, and just closed it? No plan, no answers, just that little pit in your stomach. Maybe you've even avoided checking your account for days, just because you didn't want to know. Here's the truth. You're not bad with money. Nobody ever sat you down and showed you how to actually see where it goes. That's it. That's the whole problem, not you. The system nobody taught you. Now, the second you hear the word budget, your brain probably goes somewhere bad. Rules, restrictions, spreadsheets, guilt. Forget that idea completely. Throw it out. A budget isn't a cage. Think of it like a map. A map doesn't stop you from going anywhere you want to go. It just stops you from getting lost. You probably know someone who makes really good money, but somehow they're always broke. It's not because they're careless or bad with money. It's because money without a map just disappears. And that's true for almost everyone, not just them. Okay, let's actually build this together. For simple steps. No math skills needed. No accounting degree. Nothing complicated. Step 1 find out where your money actually goes. Grab your phone, open your banking app, look at last month. You don't need to track every single penny going forward, just look backward at what already happened. That's your starting point, 5 minutes, maybe less. Step 2, sort your spending into 3 simple piles. Pile 1, things you need to survive, rent, food, bills, transportation. Pile 2, things you want, but don't need. Eating out, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment. Pile 3, your future. Savings, paying off debt, anything that helps future you. That's it, 3 piles. Everything you spend fits into one of them. Quick question before we keep going. Which pile does most of your money disappear into? Be honest, drop it in the comments. I'll pin the best answer. Now let's keep going. Step 3. Give every dollar a job. Before the month even starts, decide where your money is going to go. Not after you spend it, before. Think of it like handing out name tags. This dollar's job is rent. This dollar's job is groceries. This dollar's job is savings, when every dollar has a job. There's nothing left to mysteriously disappear. Step 4. Leave yourself a little guilt-free money. Here's the part most people don't expect. A good plan actually includes money you're allowed to spend on whatever you want. No guilt attached, because if your plan doesn't allow any fun at all, you're going to quit in a week. A small amount of guilt-free spending, on purpose, is actually what makes the whole thing work longer. Okay, remember I told you there's one fix that takes less time than making your coffee? Here it is, the number 1 reason people's plans fall apart. They build it for a perfect week that never actually happens. Real life has surprises. A friend's birthday comes up. You forget you had a subscription running. Your car needs gas twice, and when that surprise happens, most people just give up completely. They think, well, I already broke the plan, so what's the point? Not for steps, not the whole plan, just that one look. Because once you've actually seen it, once those piles start making sense in your head, the rest gets so much easier. You'll already be halfway there without even trying. Remember at the start. $300, $400, even $600 a month just disappearing, and you had no idea where. That's not going to be you anymore. You're not trying to become a budget person. You're not trying to become someone who's obsessed with spreadsheets or numbers. You're just becoming someone who isn't scared to look at their own bank account. That's it. That's the whole win. If this helped you even a little, hit subscribe. I'm making more videos just like this one, breaking money down in plain, simple terms. No confusing words, no complicated charts. Just real answers, explained the way they should have been explained to you from the start.